Hey everyone, Jon Venus here. Welcome back to another video. I did not think I would ever do this again, but you guys have requested another 10,000 calorie challenge. This is gonna be a clean food edition. I'm gonna have to eat a lot of food today and I'm not really looking forward to it, but for your viewing pleasure, I'm gonna be doing this. And if you're thinking, Jon, this is a lot of food, you're very gluttonous, well, I'm gonna be eating very little food to make up for it in the upcoming days, so don't worry about that. Anyways, no time to waste. I have a lot of food to get through, so let's get started. So I'm gonna have an easy start to my morning with some crunchy granola, 500 or 475 grams of granola, and along that I'm gonna be having 500 milliliters of soy milk and 100 grams of raisins. Let's go. Woo! Oh man, that is a lot of granola. This is the biggest bowl of cereal I've ever had in my life, I think. You want a little piece? Is this considered cheating, guys, if Noah has a tiny piece? I don't think so. Time for the milk, Noah. Woo! Whoa, raisins! You wanna say hello? So I have to admit that this has been very badly planned. It's 9 a.m. I should have started like at 5 a.m. but whatever. Let's do the best we can. By the way, let me know in the comment section below when you're watching this right now if you think I'm gonna make it or not. All right, let's go. Definitely a tasty start to the morning, Noah. Got the family joining me on my breakfast right now. What do you think, Catherine? Am I gonna be able to finish this challenge?
Not sure.
No.
It's a lot of calories.
I don't know either. Woo! Okay. That was meal number one done. I'm pretty full. That was a bit too sweet for me. The granola doesn't have that much sugar inside, but it still does have a little bit, and the raisins was just too much. Let's see how many calories this meal comes to. This one it's a lot. Granola is a easy way to get calories in. So this one comes to 2,350 calories. Wow, that's crazy. That's more than an average person eats in a day already in one meal. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Anyways, I am positively surprised about how easy this went down, although I have no idea how I'm gonna feel hungry again in an hour or so, as I need, to eat quite a lot in a short amount of time if I'm gonna be able to make it before bedtime. Do you think I can do it, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah! Fist bump! And I have a little trick up my sleeve. If I don't feel hungry, I just gotta look out the window, see all this rain, and I'll probably feel depressed and very hungry. Okay guys, so my family have just arrived from Spain to visit Noah and the family, and they are 100% vegan, so I'm gonna go and prank them right now. Hello! Hey mom, hey dad. Today I'm filming a 10,000 calorie challenge. 10,000 calorie carnivore challenge. What do you think about that? It's good, right? Boot boot. Alright guys, meal number two. It's a big bowl of oatmeal with a mountain of peanut butter on top. This is gonna be super filling. So what I got in here is 2 cups of oatmeal, 500 milliliters of soy milk, 150 grams of raisins, 5 tablespoons of honey. This is gonna be even sweeter than the breakfast, which I'm not looking forward to, and 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. So this whole thing is a calorie bomb. Seriously, this is 2,149 calories. It may not look like a huge plate, but it definitely is. And also the really hard thing about these 10,000 calorie challenges, especially when you're doing it with healthier foods, is that you're eating a lot of fiber, which means you have to drink a lot of water, which means you have to fill up your stomach even more, which is not ideal at all when you're trying to get in that much food. So yeah, we'll see how this goes, guys. Anyways, I'm excited to see how this tastes right now. No, I thought it would be even sweeter with that much honey, but it's not too bad. Let's get this done. So pretty much 1/5 of the way there, starting to feel full already. And also I forgot to mention that I added some wild blueberries. I'm not really gonna add that into the calories because it's just not that much at all. And another side effect of eating this many carbs is that you get super hot. I don't know if you guys know this feeling, but when you're really full and you only have a tiny bit on your plate, that tiny amount just seems like a massive amount of food. This one killed me. Oh. Woo, I guess that is done. All right. Slightly less enjoyable than the first meal in terms of how I feel, for sure. I'm not feeling that great right now. Maybe I can have a little break now and digest all this food. Maybe go for a workout later, we'll see. Anyways, whew, catch you later. Okay guys, it's 2:30 in the afternoon. Hooray! Yeah! And it's time for the next meal. Oops! Drop your hat. And it's time for the next meal of the day, which is gonna be pancakes. So another carb-heavy meal. It's gonna be amazing, consisting of oats, banana, oat milk, medjool dates, a bunch of them to make it sweet, flax seeds, a little bit of olive oil, and some hemp seeds. Right, Catherine, let me do the camera work. Check this out. This is a masterpiece. Wow. Thank you, Catherine. Did a good job.
Welcome. I'm kind of jealous.
Yeah, I know. I get to eat this whole pancake, and surprisingly enough, I'm actually hungry again, which is crazy.
Yeah, I'm surprised. You have so much fiber already from whole grains.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get like 500 grams of fiber today. I don't know.
It's probably gonna block the toilet.
Yeah, poor Catherine tonight. Yeah, it's not gonna be good. A lot of explosions in bed.
Yeah, good luck.
So these pancakes come to 1,211 calories. And on the side, I'm gonna be attempting, I don't know how this is gonna go, but I'm gonna try to eat this chocolate bar, which is considered healthy because it's 72% cacao. Let me know if you guys are dark chocolate fans or if you prefer milk chocolates or lighter chocolates. I'm definitely more of a lighter chocolate person. By the way, so far, all the meals have been whole food based and also plant based. So a lot of people wonder how it's possible to get enough calories. Like, how do you get 2,000 or 3,000 calories a day from plants or from whole foods? I mean, just this meal is over 1,000 calories. The two other meals were over 2,000 calories. No problem at all. So don't eat 10,000 calories a day, but you can get some ideas from this video to see how you can incorporate more high calorie meals into your diet as well. Anyways, let's go. Super excited for this. Very good. That was surprisingly easy. Wow. Did not expect that. So I guess if you're having a hard time having oatmeal, turn them into pancakes. It's so easy. Anyways, I think I'm gonna be eating this on the way to the city. We're gonna take a little drive. So I might just snack on this chocolate bar while I'm in the car driving. It's kind of cheating eating chocolate, but at least it's dark chocolate. And also I need all the help I can get if I'm gonna get to 10,000 calories today.
1 hour later.
Hey, what's up, chickens? Check in on the chickens. We've actually let them out for the first time. Not the first time, but like for the first time properly. All of them together outside of the coop, which is pretty big, but they have now grown to the point where they're big enough not to be prey for these predator birds. So they're having a blast outside now. Okay guys, working on finishing this chocolate. And in a second, I'm gonna make dinner, which is gonna be a huge bowl of pasta. I don't know how I'm gonna get this done, but we're pretty close. Not really, but almost. And I'm gonna do my best. It's 5 o'clock now in the afternoon, and in 2 hours I have soccer. Sorry, I was choking on some chocolate. This is why they say chocolate kills. So in 2 hours I have soccer practice, and I'm gonna try to eat dinner before that. I don't know how I'm gonna play soccer with this huge belly that I have right now. I might even become the soccer ball. The thing that I'm most worried about is actually pooping myself at soccer practice. I don't know if you guys saw, but a couple years ago I did a 10,000 calorie fruit challenge where I was eating only fruits, 10,000 calories, craziest challenge I've ever done, I think. And I went for a walk and I had an accident. How did I put this? Yeah, I mean, I'm outside here in the woods. Okay, I had to take a massive shit. Alright guys, check this huge bowl out. This is the biggest bowl of food I've ever had in my life, I think. This is insane. Look at that. So this dinner, believe it or not, is 2,628 calories. It's insane. It's got 3 cups of whole grain pasta, got 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I also added some leftover ground venison from the tacos that we had yesterday and put that in there, 250 grams of that. Also 750 grams of tomato sauce, along with a whole jar or 340 grams of olives. Probably not a great idea to add the meat in there because protein is extremely satiating and it's probably not gonna do me any favors in completing this challenge, but I'm up for the task today and we'll see how it goes. But if I manage to finish this whole bowl right here, you guys better give this video a thumbs up because yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna survive. All right, let's have a taste. I'm not gonna lie, the taste amazing. It feels so amazing to have something savory and salty in my mouth after all these sweet meals. All right, let's try getting this done. Sure, it's gonna come off again. Oh, Catherine just shouted from the living room that it's kind of douchey to take my shirt off while eating and filming, and it's true, but I just can't bear it. I am super hot right now. I'm not trying to show off. I'm not. I'm just hot, literally. I just started gagging like crazy. Check my eyes out. That's crazy. Look at my belly. Look at this. This is definitely not healthy. Do not do this at home. It's stupid. Don't do it. It's not healthy. But at least I'm trying to do it in a healthier way with healthy meals and show you guys some recipes along the way. So I hope this pain that I'm feeling right now is worth it. So the plan right now is just to rest and lay down on the couch a little bit, listen to some music, digest for half an hour, and hopefully make it to practice.
2 hours later.
Anyways guys, training was weird. It was weird running around and going crazy on the field with this huge stomach. Anyways, I think I'm gonna be able to finish this meal hopefully now, and then we can move on. Made it, finally. No, thank you. So I just took a shower. I'm ready to finish up this calorie challenge. I'm sleepy. It's past my bedtime. So it's almost midnight. Crazy. I'm not used to staying up this late at all anymore. So yeah, let's get this done. So I got 6 big bliss balls here. And then I'm also going to be having half of this dark chocolate bar. I finished the other one, and to be honest, it's not my favorite, so I'm not looking forward to eating half of this one. These bliss balls, these are an amazing hack. If you want to keep it clean and get a lot of calories in, you know, making these with desiccated coconut, peanut butter, dates, and oats, and just mix it up in a food processor or a blender if you have a powerful blender. It's just an amazing way to get in high energy snacks throughout the day and boost your daily calories. So just another tip for you guys. Anyways, I'm gonna try getting this done right now. See if I make it. Not hungry at all, but I am feeling confident that I'm gonna be able to finish this for you guys right now. So let's give it a go. I can't believe I finished it, man. Bliss balls came to 998 calories, and the chocolate came to 685. That was 1.5 bars. So that puts me at 10,021 calories for the day. Yes! I don't know if you can see to what extent my belly is sticking out right now, but it is at record levels. I can't even see my toes anymore. I feel bad for Catherine because I gotta tell you guys, my farts are just out of this world. Crazy bad. It's so bad. Let's just put it this way. My carbon emissions are through the roof right now. What's up guys, it's the next morning and I am still extremely full, so I just had to go to bed, pass out, and just try to digest all that food. I don't know how well I'm doing. I don't think I'm gonna eat anything today, probably not for the next couple of days, to be honest with you guys. But I'm extremely proud of myself for having completed this challenge, and I hope that you guys got a lot of useful tips and also entertainment along the way. And if you did, don't forget to share this video with a friend, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, leave me a suggestion for what challenge to do next. That's very, very important. Anyways guys, I appreciate you spending some time with me today, and as always, I'll see you very soon. Peace out.